Today, I'll show you how to set up NordVPN on your ASUS router using OpenVPN. This method works on most ASUS routers running ASUS WRT. Just keep in mind that the ASUS RT-AC66U non-B1 and the RT-N66U models are not supported. If you're planning to get NordVPN, there's an exclusive link in the description offering 74% off plus 3 extra months free. Let's start by logging into your ASUS router's control panel. Open a web browser and enter 192.168.1.1. If that doesn't load, try 192.168.50.1 or type router.asus.com or ASUSWRT.com into the address bar. When the login screen appears, enter your router username and password. If you've never changed them, the default is usually admin for both. Once you're inside the control panel, click VPN from the left-hand menu. Then open the VPN Client tab at the top. Scroll down and click Add Profile. When the pop-up window appears, select the OpenVPN tab. Now fill in the required fields. For description, you can enter any name you like. For username, enter your NordVPN service username. For password, enter your NordVPN service password. Make sure auto reconnection is set to Yes. Next, you'll need to download an OpenVPN configuration file from NordVPN. Log into your Nord account and open the NordVPN section. Scroll down to Advanced Settings and click Set up NordVPN manually. Under Server Recommendation, you can automatically download the best server for your location. If you prefer a specific country or server, scroll down to the OpenVPN configuration files section. Download either the UDP or TCP file. UDP is usually faster and recommended for most users. Now return to your ASUS router settings. Click Choose File, select the .ovpn file you downloaded, and open it. Then click Upload. Once you see the message saying Complete, the file has been uploaded successfully. Leave the option that says Import the CA file or edit the .ovpn file manually unchecked and click OK to finish. You'll now see your new VPN profile listed under the VPN Client tab. Click Activate to connect your router to NordVPN. When the connection is successful, you'll see a blue check mark under Connection Status. To confirm everything is working properly, open a browser and visit NordVPN.com. At the top of the page, you should see your new IP address and your protection status. If it still shows your old IP, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache. And that's it. Your entire home network is now secured through NordVPN on your ASUS router. If you want to get NordVPN with my discount, check the link in the description for 74% off, plus 3 extra months free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.